Dr. Shakil P. Ahamed, IS Mendaka Janmit Shimti kum Chief Secretary Thymmai ke Jilla Hadian Bak Samai Twekam, Jang Uba DP Wahlang kum Chief Secretary ke Jilla, Kalakut no Mendaka Singi. Shwaba Uba DP Wahlang, Shongthait noh naka Shuki Chief Secretary nakaliang ki he Sarkar ke Jilla, Kilayalum lang ha kamra Twekam Jang U, Badai Kublayu, Batru, ha ke Jugapor ban Priang Puram Ru, Yo Chief Secretary Thymmai ke Jilla.
Now we come to now you come to here, the chief secretary now.
That's great.
You can open one. Open the handover side. Okay.
Sir, camera sir. 1, 2, and 3. One more sir. 1, 2, and 3.
Congratulations, Shakil. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Take care of all of us. Thank you. Now you have to give the interview. He's all yours.
These are memories. Preserve.
Go in the front.
Go to the front. You go in the front. The front.
Bye.
Telefon ba? Bila kali je? Doa.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. State has a clearly laid out agenda. There's a long-term plan for the state set by the Honorable Chief Minister, and it is prepared collectively by the entire the state till about 2032. So definitely, as one of the senior member of the team, I'll also try to guide it faster, quicker, better within my capacity. I'm confident that the entire team is quite committed, sincere, and definitely under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet Ministers, we should be able to tread through.